Dude,
What's up?
something is wrong with my car.
What do you mean?
You need to go look at it.
Why?
It's making this like god awful noise.
Seriously?
Yeah, bro. Like seriously, go check it out. It's bad.
Has it been doing it long?
For about a good minute now.
Like all day or?
Like all day.
Oh shit. All right.
It's non-stop, bro.
Okay. Hell, dude. Should have called me. Man, these dang cars are getting expensive, dude. Oh. Let me see. I don't hear nothing.
Oh, and another thing. I told him to clean the room, and he didn't even freaking clean it. He told me to.
Huh. Bro, I heard it. You need to get rid of that piece of shit.
I'm selling it tomorrow.
Dead.